Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the aluminium drilling process. You can see this is a rigid drill tool and this is the aluminium workpiece here. And let me to click on animate to see the animation of the penetration. You can see this is the drill with axial and rotational velocity along y direction. And we use a rapid simulation here, but if you use large time step for this drilling process, you will observe the chip creation during the simulation. You can see, let's me to check it in this view. This is the half view or symmetric view, and let's me to remove the tool and just see the aluminium, and let's me to check the shear damage which happened during the penetration. You can use a smaller mesh to have a better result in this, but this mesh is good. And also you can check ductile damage on the plastic strain, for instance. This is the plastic strain, and let's me to use this whole view. Okay, you can see this. And this is the end of the step. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find English tutorials about the drilling process of aluminum alloy. In our website there are many English tutorials. They are provided for English users. Click on the title of blue sign. This is continue. And then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, the material method, steps, interactions, mesh, boundaries, and at the end you will have these results as figures. And at the end there are three important points. The file contains CAI and then English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have bitcoins you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal account. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.